copy-pasting is normal. But in tech, copy-pasting code is a trap that most beginners don't see until it's too late. When you're new, copy-pasting feels like a superpower. You follow a tutorial, paste the code, and it works. You feel productive. You feel like a developer. But that success is a lie. Today, I'm going to show you why your comfort zone is actually destroying your learning foundation, and the one logical shift you need to make to finally become an engineer. The moment that copied code is slightly tampered with, everything stops. A tiny change in the environment, a new error you've never seen, and suddenly you're stuck. You don't know what part failed. You don't know why it failed, and you have no idea how to fix it. This is where your confidence crashes. Not because you aren't capable, but because copy-pasting skips the most important part of tech, thinking. I'm not talking about the kind of overthinking that raises your blood pressure. I'm talking about logical thinking. Tech isn't about typing. It's about systems. Take a simple if statement in JavaScript. It's a choice. If this is the condition, do this. If not, do that. When you just copy that choice, your brain never builds the system. You're getting results without reasoning. It's like trying to win a race by hitching a ride on someone else's car. You might cross the finish line, but you still don't know how to drive. Copy-pasting isn't evil. It's just dangerous when used too early. To build real confidence, you have to slow down. Rewrite code in your own words. Don't just paste. Type it out. Break things on purpose. Ask yourself, what happens if I remove this line? Asterisk, change the variables. Observe how the system reacts. This is where real learning begins. Understanding beats speed every single time. Stop chasing results and start chasing reasoning. If you want to move beyond the copy-paste stage and start building your own path in tech, subscribe. We're going to build your foundation, step by step.